UPS.
No
That's
way.
that's a.
The
Using
girls game
UPS?
on.
Oh yeah, I watched a documentary on that actually. They have a full documentary series they did on it.
They
Yeah,
transported her through UPS?
Yeah, on a UPS on the 747.
Does anyone go with it?
I'm sure they have an army of marine biologists that oversaw that entire situation. Hundreds of them probably. That's cool. But don't they have a big flat pane of glass?
Yeah, the big one.
That's on the other side.
Yeah, that's this exhibit right here.
Oh, okay, yeah. Well, that's where we're going.
Look, look.
We made our own crates.
Yeah, big ones to keep them
Okay.
moist.
And we had like filters filtering out the wall.
Mm-hmm.
And they had different positions doing landings and takeoff.
Look, it's a purple umbrella.
You knew you should thank the military.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure. I mean, their logistics for managing a situation like that is.
How many dollars did we make with our wear stuff? How many dollars?
Have y'all made at the Georgia Aquarium?
Like
Tens of millions, hundreds of millions.
yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, we didn't even pay you for it.
They did it for free for publicity. Yeah, that's a good marketing strategy. I'm sure they just stipulated, just say UPS whenever in the aquarium, and we'll do it for free.
That's what UPS did.
Yep, it's excellent. That's what I would do. It's a good idea. Want to go walk over to the Big Mare?
They actually closed off the highway so we can transport.
Yep. Yeah, that makes sense. From the airport to
Yeah,
here.
we actually trained Trixie before she died in the crate.
Oh, really?
She's now, we don't know where. I guess she had a family or something.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Same thing with Alex, how we're going.
Right, yeah.
We just hope that we will have babies in this way.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yep.
Awesome,
That would
thank
be
you,
nice.
man.
And you guys can watch us together 24/7 on the camera. You guys?
Oh, really?
Yeah, actually, yeah, they have a camera.
Cool.
Show too.
Thanks.
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah, we'll go animals and we have boy animals.
Yay!
Well, not yet.